Once again, hello and welcome back to the channel. This is DevDotLog signing in. In today's video, I figured I would give my top 6 reasons as to why I love being a software developer. Without wasting any more time, let's get into it. There are kids out there as young as 10 years old developing some of the coolest looking applications that I have personally never developed myself, apart from the ones that I do where I work and throughout my career. So that simply means if a 10-year-old can do it, then a 20-year-old can do it, then a 50-year-old can do it. Unless if these kids are like geniuses and we are just dumb. I don't know about you, but have you seen this video? It's about a software developer rapping about being a software developer that can rap. Seriously though, one of my hobbies growing up as a kid was that I used to create music through what they call a digital audio workstation. The one I used specifically is known as Fruity Loops. In fact, the beat that you hear in the background, that I produced myself. Just like in Fruity Loops, where you have to deal with a sequence and a pattern of snares, drums, hi-hats, 808s in order to produce what they call an instrumental or a beat. In code, you have to work with variables, loops, if statements, and a whole bunch of other things in order to create a sequence of steps that will eventually come into being your application. Just like in Fruity Loops, where that instrumental or beat needs a singer or a rapper to do something with it, that application that you create in code also needs a user to do something with it. So in actual essence, it's more like I'm a producer or an artist in programming. So I grew up being very lazy as a kid, and my grandmother would often ask me to get off the computer to go do some maintenance work on the yard. And as much as I did sometimes, it was really not something that I enjoyed. It's physical labor. You're out there in the hot burning sun. I enjoy things that focus more on my mind and challenge me intellectually. I mean, sometimes it's not a comfortable situation when the tech lead is explaining a complicated architecture of the application that you're working on, and most of it just goes over your head. But like I said, I like things that focus more on my mind. As much as this is a good reason, it definitely has its ups and downs. In the world of software development, there is always some new programming language or feature coming in. And as much as it's nice to learn a new language or framework, it can get a bit overwhelming based on the rate of change. But there's nothing like a challenge from time to time that keeps you on your feet. There is nothing that beats having your code execute the way you expect it to execute after that one line has been the bug in your code for the past 2 weeks. It is literally a dopamine fix. Before I get to reason number 1, please smash that like button and also subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to this channel. Don't forget to comment as well. I want to know what you're thinking, what you love, how you spend your time, what you do in a day, stuff like that. I don't know. You make the choice. If you are not yet aware, there are software developers out there that have no degree or diploma and they are earning over 25k a month simply because they love and possess a skill that is highly in demand all over the world. And just like that, that is my 6 reasons for why I love being a software developer. See you in the next video. This is DevDotLog signing off. Peace.